commands or los mandatos are the verb forms used to tell others to do something. Use formal commands with people you address as usted or ustedes. To form these commands, you drop the O ending from the yo form of the present indicative form of the verb and add an E for AR verbs like the verb comprar. You'd say yo compro, then drop the O, add an E for usted, and an EN for ustedes. For ER verbs like the verb comer, you drop off the O from the present indicative, add an A for usted coma, and add an AN for ustedes. For IR verbs like the verb escribir, you would drop the O from the yo form of the present indicative and add an A for usted, escriba, and an AN for ustedes. The following verbs have irregular mandatos formales. The verb ir is vaya or vayan, ser is sea or sean, saber is sepa or sepan, estar is esté or estén, dar is de or den. So estos mandatos formales irregulares. Also verbs that end in CAR, verbs like buscar, have a spelling change in the command form. So you say yo busco, drop the O, and then change the C to a QU to say yo busque. For verbs ending in GAR, like the verb jugar, pagar, negar, there's a spelling change G to GU in the command form, so llegue would be the command for the verb llegar. Also for verbs ending in ZAR, there's a spelling change from a Z to a C. For example, the verb empezar, the command would be empiece. Object pronouns, indirect object pronouns, as well as reflexive pronouns, are attached to the end of affirmative commands. And notice you have to add a written accent mark over the stressed vowel. So, for example, the command compre. If I say compre, buy it, I would say comprelo. If I say compremelo, if I have both a direct and indirect object pronoun. Sorry for all the scratching, you can hardly read. But you attach object and reflexive pronouns to the end of the affirmative command. If you have a reflexive verb like levantarse, you would say levántense, and you would attach the reflexive pronoun to the end of the affirmative command.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.